Good morning everyone. This is Zahid Abbas and you are watching IT Assignment Professor channel. Today I am going to start new module 2 project number 2. Okay. So this is our instruction sheet and this is our Excel sheet. This is new perspective Excel 2019 module 2 and of module project 2. Okay. So let's start from the beginning. You can download these files from SAM website. This is a course of Cengage. Okay, so let's start from the beginning. In the first paragraph, as we have done in the previous videos, just go to file, click on save as, click on browse, just replace this one with 2 and click on the save button. Okay, so this paragraph is complete. Okay, so let's move to the project steps. One is saying that Sid Kellerman works in the office of admissions at the Shingle Rock College. Sid is adding format to the workbook he used to track applications for the upcoming academic year to make the data easier to read and print. Okay, so switch to the application worksheet, then format the heading, merge and center the range F1 A1 to F1. Copy this range, go to Excel sheet, go to application sheet, paste the range here. So we need to merge and center. This is merge and center. Okay, question number 1 is complete. Question number 2, for the range A1 F1 apply the ascent 6 cell style. Okay, first we will apply the cell style. This row is already selected, just go to cell style and then go down. This is our ascent 6, apply this. Okay, then bold the content and change the font size 18. This is bold and font size 18. Okay, done. Question number 2 is complete. Question number 3, merge and center the range A to F2. Copy this and go to Excel sheet. So this is the range we need to center and merge. We have done. Apply the 40% ascent 6 style. Okay, so this is cell style. This is 40% of ascent 6. Okay, next he's saying that change the font size 12. Font size 12. Okay, question number 4, for the range A4 A5 change the alignment to right. Okay, copy the range and paste here. So alignment to right, this is left and this is aligned to right. Okay, done. And question number 5 is saying that unmerge the range B4 to C4. Copy this, go to Excel, paste the range here, press enter and click on unmerge. Okay, question number 5 complete. Question number 6, format the date and application total for the range A4 to B5. Copy this, apply the 40% ascent 5. Okay, is the value range here for cell style. This is a 75 and this is 40%. Okay, done. Further he is saying change this, then change the font size to 12. This is font style, click on 12. Okay, done. Okay. Question number 7. For the range B4 to B5, bold the cell content. Okay, so copy this range and paste here. We need to bold. Yes. Then question number 8. For the B4, apply the long date format. For example, Friday, July 16, 2021. Okay, B4. This is B4. In here we will go. Click on the long date. Okay, done. Question number 8 is complete. Question number 9. Find and replace the all instance of the text application with the applications. Okay, so we need to copy these applications. Control C. Go to Excel sheet. Go to Home tab. This is the find. Let click on the replace. Okay, we need to replace with applications, and the word already mentioned is application in the small alphabets. Okay, paste here, click on the replace all done. We made 3 replace. Okay, close. So question number 10. Format the application table by clearing the format from the range A6 to F6. Copy this range, Control C, go to Excel, paste the range here, press enter. So this is the range we need to clear. Shortcut key is Alt H E F. Okay, Alt H E F. Alt E H F. E F. Alt H E F. Control Z. So question number 10. Format the application table by clearing the formatting from the range A6 to F6. Copy this range, Control C, go to Excel, paste the range here. So this is the range we need to clear. So here we will use the shortcut key Alt H E F. Okay, so all formatting is clear. Now we will move to the next question. So next question is question number 11. For the range B8 to B16, copy this range, reduce the number of decimal place to 0. Okay, so we have copied this range and paste the range here. And we need to reduce the decimals. 0. Click OK. Done. Question number 12. For the range C8 to C60, copy this range. Apply the percentage number format with two decimal place, and then copy the format to the range D8 to E16. We will do separately one by one. So go to Excel sheet, paste the range here, press enter. We will go here, go to percentage with two decimals, click OK. Done. Then copy this range, Control C, paste the value range here, press enter, go to percentage, click here and then percentage, two decimal, click OK. Done. Okay. 12 questions are complete. So question number 13, for the range E8 to E16, add conditional formatting using the highlight cell rules, specifying a less than rule that format a cell with light red fill when the cell contents are less than minus 0.01. Okay, go to Excel sheet, paste the range here and press enter, then go to conditional formatting, then go to highlight cell and less than. Okay, then press 0.01, click OK, then go to cell conditional format, manage rules. Okay, double click here, then remove this two zeros and then click OK. Click OK. Okay, done. Question number 14, for the range E8 to E16, Control C, add additional conditional formatting using the highlight cells rules, specifying a greater than rule that format a cell with yellow fill with dark yellow text. Okay, when cell contents are greater than 0.02. Okay, so go in the Excel sheet and paste the range here, then go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rules greater than 0 point, here we will mention 0.02. Okay, then select the dark yellow color, click OK, then go to conditional format, manage rules, and then click on the second condition, remove this two zeros and click OK, then apply and click OK. Okay, so we have applied the conditional formatting in the range E8 to E16. Okay, question number 14 is complete. 4 question is remaining left. Let me show you the final sheet. The final sheet will be look like this. So if you have this kind of an assignment, you can share with me. I will complete for you. Okay, I will meet you in the next video, and thank you for watching my video.